Hey everyone, this is Satyanarayana Srinivasan. Our project is SparkToShip, basically from idea to production in like 10 minutes. So it's an autonomous software engineering organization. So when we break the software development lifecycle, so if we use the current tools, it has context amnesia, human bottleneck, expect the result, because we need to copy paste the code and then like elsewhere and continue everything, and the documentation is outdated. So to solve this, we are bringing in like 12 specialized agents. We have coherent context. We have a self-healing loop because there are going to be like experts in like different domains like PM, architecture, engineering, manager, QA, etc. And it's a hub and spoke architecture, 2.5 Flash for speed, Gemini 2.5 Pro for complex reasoning. And this is our architecture and specialized teams. There's like a strategy team, architecture team, and engineering team. So this is an idea generator, product requirement agent, analysis. Then it puts down the architecture, then starts coding, then there's QA, end-to-end testing, debugger loop, and then finally generates a walkthrough. ADK features that we have used. There's a mission control where you can create new projects here. So you have a way to enter your Gemini key or whatever it is, like you can choose models and then basically I'll just load a recent project for in the interest of time. So as you can see, it generates gets the idea, generates the product requirements, then the analyzer agent generates the tasks, then the system architecture is generated, multiple flow diagram, sequence diagram, all of those are generated. You can also expand and see those. And so basically it also lists the design principles. Engineering manager agent takes care of the task list. There will be like a coding agent that comes in and then like codes and take care of it, like front and back end agents. This is how it will be when the agents are actively coding. There's a story map, like you can see like the mapping of the story tasks, and it also says like end-to-end user test cases for each and everything. So you can watch all those. Then the best of all, like you can view and debug the code, and this is how it generates the code. And finally, like you can also generate a code walkthrough, or you can also like debug this, and on top of it, like you can also like generate a code walkthrough. So I'm just showing like whatever has already been generated. It makes it more easier like to walk through the code, which is like really good for like onboarding developers. So that's the part. There are like multiple boardrooms. We can download the project code that has been generated, artifacts at the showcase gallery, like come in. So we have a light mode, dark mode as well for switching. Thank you.